Okay, it's time for me to repot my apple tree and my lemon tree that I planted from seed. They're getting big in these pots they were in, so it's time to move them to bigger growing space. See here with my apple tree, I need to take off some of these dead leaves. This is my red delicious apple tree that I got from the grocery store. And this is my Maya lemon tree that I replanted from seeds that I harvest from some lemons that I grew in the garden. So I'm getting ready to move them and pot them up in another bigger pot. And I also got a branch that broke off of my cocktail apple tree that I'm gonna plant here in with the red delicious apple. See, it already look like it got something growing it there at the top there. Okay, apple and lemon. Let me get y'all repotted into your new space. And I'm gonna bring y'all back inside where you were at and bring you back out during the spring. Okay, let me get busy here. Okay, I have repotted my apple tree into a bigger pot. And I have my lemon tree repotted into a bigger pot. Both were grown from seeds from an apple that I bought from the grocery store, and my lemon seeds came from lemons that I harvest from my lemon tree growing in my garden. Okay, now come on. Spring, I'm gonna put y'all outside so you can enjoy growing in the garden in the spring. See, you can grow your own fruit trees from seed. Gonna take a little while for them to get big, but it can be done. Look at you. Lemon tree standing straight up. And my apple tree standing straight up. Y'all enjoying y'all new space? Okay. Come on and grow big and beautiful and grow us lots of fruits. Lots of lemons and lots of apples. Look at you.